Hi everyone, nice to see you again and welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how to painting a jar and with a succulent. So first you have to prepare about watercolor supplies like brushes, paper, pigment and the palette. And with the 2 bottles of the water. And you can choose some reference photo from the online. And remember to start with the light to the dark to make your jar looks like round. So first I started with the light color and then I put a bit intense color on it, and also same times I leave some white space. Let's make have a highlight. And when I finished the basic color of the jar, and I started to drawing my succulent shape. And I try to simplify the succulent shape because there are many petals in there. And that's many different grain you can choose, like different succulent. They might use yellow green and the dark green and the blue green. And some succulent, they might have a bit red, pink in it, so not just only one color in there. And I also have done a bit of background color, like a flat wash. And this easy to make a shadow. And then I change the brush with a flat brush. That's easy to make a texture, like a piece of wood. And also I add some texture for my background. And keep going to use my fresh brush to make a shadow of the jar. And because my background is still wet, so you can see the edge is still blurry. So that looks like they are all in the background. And I also add some dark color for my edge. And then I add some dark level for my succulent to make they are more depth. And also we have dark a bit for the inside of the jar. And I change my brushes for the Chinese brush. That's easy to make more detail and get the fine line. Thank you for your watching and hope you enjoy it, and see you next time.